Alright, you ready, Mr. Regen?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Start off easy for you. What is RP14?
I can't kiss your head. You rub your head.
Come on. You got this.
Is it no sexual harassment? No,
Yeah,
uh,
that's right. You got it.
okay.
Okay. What is the minimum age requirement to join the faction?
18.
Good job. Good job.
I'm not rubbing your head. I told you that.
Okay, this one's a little bit of a harder one. You are having problems, fights, arguments with another medic. What should you do in this situation?
Oh, okay. You were having fights and arguments with. Okay. I think I would probably either walk away or get a supervisor and report the situation at hand before it gets out of hand. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. I think. I don't know.
No, that's good. That was pretty much opinion based.
Oh, okay.
Alright, what is MD6?
MD6. Okay, I think no medical actions during dangerous situations, during life-threatening situations. I think it's prohibited. It's punishable by warning. I think yes.
Good, good. Okay.
Lay right there till your head dries.
I have to go back.
Alright, now I'm about to ask you a pretty hard question. This one is more an RP question than a medic question.
Jeez. Okay.
Alright. Exceeding your character's physical limits is known as A. Metagaming, B. Non-roleplay, C. Non-RP power, or D. RP disciplines.
Please, can you come again?
Okay. Exceeding your character's physical limits is known as A. Metagaming, B. Non-roleplay, C. Non-RP power, or D. RP disbalance.
No.
B.
It is actually C, non-RP power, but like I said, that one was more of an RP question than a mech one, so it's totally fine. You didn't get it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you two more, and then we'll be done. Okay.
Okay.
I wish my husband had lived to see it,
What is MD9?
but he was killed. Travis was killed.
Okay, MD9. I think I remember that. It's non-compliance with. I think non-compliance with orders, not following orders when giving orders.
Yes. Good job. Good
Will
job.
be the person will be reprimanded. Unreprimanded. Unreprimand.
Good. Good. Alright. True or false? Body cams must be on for the entire time of all EMS calls.
Mike?
True.
Alright. Good job, Mr. Regen. You have passed.
I saw it at the outpost.
Oh, thank God.